Okay, welcome back to Simonetta's Brick Oven Pizza Bus. We're here with Aiden now, and he's going to show us how to light the oven every day. This is how we set up our oven and get it lit up to about 800 degrees, and we're going to get it going. What's up, babe?
Hey.
First thing we do is we come in, we take out our door. Oven's about 300 degrees every morning when we get ready to open up. And this is the inside of the oven. So, I'll try to get in there and give you guys a quick look. Can't get the flash going on here. That's the oven. It's about 300 degrees in there. There's the ash. We're going to keep some of that ash to keep the oven warm. We're going to put that aside. You'll see Aiden doing that now. We'll get everything built in. And then we're going to come back and show you how we light it. Okay, so go ahead, Ed. Explain what you're doing as you do it. So
we're putting the kindling in, and then we're going to start stacking logs in a certain pattern so that the wood carries the fire well enough.
Yep, so we put a little piece of cardboard down with some paper towel, some small pieces of wood, and then we build around that so it lights up good one shot. And he's starting to build the oak wood out right now. So we're going to start with 5 or 6 pieces, 5 pieces today. See, doing this allows you not to have to keep playing with the fire once it's lit. Get it lit up nice and good, spread out the coals, and get it ready for the day.
And we send it in there, somewhat centered. Usually I keep it off center to the right because the right side is where the flame doesn't carry from the middle and it takes a little longer to heat up.
Good.
Alright.
We're gonna get that baby lit up. Got our lighter. Give you guys a good look at this. There it goes. Doesn't take too long. Now this is going to heat up for about an hour before we can serve. It'll be about 850 within an hour. Right now it's about 300. Get that thing lit up.
One thing you don't do is leave the lighter right here. You don't want to do that. Might be the last time you light up the oven if you do.
There she goes.
Now it'll take about anywhere from a half hour to like 50 minutes for this to heat up properly. You gotta keep adding wood. Sometimes you don't have to. It depends on how hot the oven is.
Then once all that's done, you take all the coals and you spread them out. Get the floor nice and hot, and then you push them all to the side. And this here, this little metal bracket here goes in the back, and that's where the wood will sit while we cook all day. And then the pizzas, about 4 or 5 of them at a time, can cook on this whole area over here. And that's how we get the oven going.